Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through visual analog scales, or VAS. Visual analog scales are used to help measure pain. As you know, pain is a subjective experience and can differ majorly depending on the individual, which is why these scales are created. Using VAS, patient pain can be measured objectively through a sliding scale of 0 to 10, with 0 representing no pain and 10 representing extreme pain. Healthcare professionals will ask patients to mark on the scale where their pain level is at. It can also represent the intensity of other physical sensations, such as fatigue. VAS are perfect for a variety of medical contexts and can track symptoms over time. To complete the VAS, fill out the name of the patient as well as the date, place a mark on the scale to indicate the level of pain, and include any additional notes if needed. To use the templates in Carepatron, filter by note and by community. You can type in the keyword VAS to find the relevant note faster. Click on the template by selecting Choose Template icon and then select your client. Click Publish once complete. To use the templates in Carepatron,